This is the Chinese cooking channel called Chinese Cooking Channel. Today we're going to do an Asian style turkey noodle soup. It's going to be a delicious, simple soup that you can make anytime. Today we're making an Asian style turkey noodle soup. You can use chicken instead if you want. So the turkey is a leftover from yesterday's Thanksgiving dinner, and the broth is also leftover from Thanksgiving dinner. So just check the description below in my Chinese cooking accessory guide. You'll find different ingredients and items used in Chinese cooking, as well as the wok that I use and this Instant Pot that I use. So I'm going to put 10 cups of water. So this jug holds exactly 10 cups of water. So I think this Instant Pot, the capacity, I think would be about 10 cups of water. That's about halfway through. I add the drippings and the liquids from the roast turkey that we ate from the day before. Here's the turkey carcass. I put it in the water, I parboiled it for about 10-15 minutes. So I'm going to put this turkey carcass in there. So this carcass came off a 15-pound turkey. So now I'm going to put 2 pieces of ginger in there. So it doesn't matter how much you put in there. I like to put more ginger. So a couple big thumb-sized pieces would do it. I'm just going to use the lemongrass here. So just cut it off at the top half there. Cut off the bottom. And then here, just take off the outside. The cooking time is 15 minutes, but you can cook it longer if you like. So this is the turkey stock that I have from yesterday's turkey. So it's the drippings from the turkey with the liquids. And then I put lemongrass in the stock. Whoa, look at that. So I put it overnight in the fridge, then I skim off the fat from the top of the surface. So what I generally do is like put about a couple tablespoons of light soy sauce. So something like this. This is light soy sauce, also known as regular soy sauce. Put a little oyster flavor sauce in there, just because I like oyster flavor sauce. Put a tablespoon in there. So I had salt on the turkey, so the drippings had the salt from the turkey. But if you want to put a little more salt in there, you can. Leftover turkey. So I got some white meat and dark meat. So I'm going to put about 4 ounces in there per person. So you got 2 people here. You just put about 8 ounces or so, or really up to you. So the veggies, you just put into the broth here. So the veggies will cook very fast. 2 or 3 minutes for me would do it. Sometimes people like their veggies a little more cooked. So you can use any kind of vegetable you like. You can use broccoli or Chinese vegetables, bok choy or whatever you like. So you can use any kind of noodles for your soup here. I'm using the Frugal Chinese style noodles. So the water I have in here is coming to a boil. So I'm just going to put about a teaspoon of salt in there, so the noodles won't stick. And then you can also put maybe a teaspoon or a tablespoon of cooking oil. I have peanut oil here. So this will help the noodles from not sticking. So these noodles only take about 5 minutes to cook. So I'm going to put the noodles in now. So roughly 2 handful of noodles, enough for 2 servings. So it'll take about 5 minutes to cook these noodles. So you can use any kind of Asian noodle you like. I like this Frugal noodles. They cook in about 5 minutes, and I've eaten Frugal noodles since I was a little kid. So they're really nice noodles for soup and also stir fry. So we're just going to put some noodles into the bowl here. Pour the broth in. And then I like to shake a few drops of sesame oil. Sesame oil has nice flavor and fragrance. So just put about a teaspoon or so, just put on top. So there you have it. Turkey noodle soup, Asian style. Enjoy. Thanks for checking out my video. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And thanks for your continued support.